Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Conan Gray, Lonely Dancers. He sings and dances between people there that just stands. If you watch the music video, nice song there as well with a good power or energy to this one. So we like that one. This is not your typical guitar song, but anyway, we're gonna cover it because it's a nice song and you can play almost everything on a guitar. So let's do this. We have pretty much two different parts, the verse and the chorus play. To start with, we need to learn the chords. So we're gonna do that clean here, no need for any capo. So let's take a look at first the D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. The next chord is G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have C next, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the D F chord, that is basically the D but with an F sharp in the bass, so like this. It goes second on E, open A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. And then finally we have the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. So there you have all the chords. So we're gonna learn the strumming pattern first. So if you grab the D, that's the first chord. It goes like this for one round. Down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. Okay, so I like to play the first two downs on the bass strings, so like this, and then down, down, up, more down here on the higher notes. So you get this strumming around like that. So a couple rounds of it. And so on. So we're ready. Let's take a look at the verse play. So the verse will be D, 2 strumming rounds, G, 1, and C, 1. That portion you will play for 3 rounds. And then on the final round, you're gonna play the D, F, 2 strumming rounds, and C, 2 strumming rounds. So that is the verse play. D2, G1, C1 times 3, and then D, F2, and C2, like this. That's a verse play. There you have it, and then the chorus continues in the same way as the verse started. So you're just gonna play the D2, the G1, and C1 like this. One more round. And that is how it continues with the chorus. I'm just gonna mention after the second chorus comes a bridge part. I think it's about 1 minute and 57 seconds into the song. There you're gonna play the D, F, 2 strumming rounds and C, 2 strumming rounds. You alternate these two chords, D, F2, C2 for 3 rounds. And then after the third round, you're gonna play A and stay with that for 4 strumming rounds. So DF2, C2 times 3, like this. Second round. And final. And now A4. And then you play again the chorus. And that pretty much covers Conan Gray's Lonely Dancers, Lonely Guitarists over here. I speak for myself. Anyway, it's nice to teach this for you guys, and if you enjoyed it, please support me here on Growing Guitar. Give me motivation to continue and keep on here. So thank you for everything, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one, and until next time, play tuned.